So now we want to solve the problem we had initially. So we have that we go to vehicle makes and we have this URL here. We have lowercase, or everything is lowercase. Meanwhile, it's supposed to be camel case, which means that every word every single word in the URL has to start with an uppercase letter. So it's something like this. So it means that we are going to go to our HTML pages. Unfortunately, we are going to go to our HTML pages and then replace the navigation on the HTML pages. So this I'll have to do it right now. So let me close everything and then we are going to do it. So this is what we call camel case. So unfortunately, we are going to copy it across to all our pages, and that is what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to open up all the pages. We have client, we have contact, So So we've replaced everything, and now I'm going to test it by running this application again, and hopefully everything is going to be fine. Let me just check this one, contact. Let me just scroll down to the where we have the navigation, which is somewhere here, and Okay, so I'm loading up the page. I'm going to test it. So let me just let me start from the first one, vehicle. Let's go to parameters and go to vehicle make, and let's add a new vehicle make. Let's add Toyota. So these vehicle makes, the title has not changed, but let's add one. Toyota from Japan. I'm going to save, and it's saved perfectly well. I'm going to click on edit button. Edit button does not actually work, so it says it doesn't work. So let's see. So vehicle make has failed to edit. Let's try delete. Delete might also not work. So let's go back to the page. Let's go to vehicle makes, vehicle make. So I'm going to go to the edits. I'm going to first go down to make sure that the JavaScript is added. Vehicle make.js. Let me just check and make sure it's fine. Close this. Okay, that is fine. Vehicle make.js, and let's just look at the okay, so you can see the edit button doesn't have an ID. So I'm going to say ID equal to equal to edit button, and that is what you are going to do for all of them. So I'm going to simply copy this. That means I'm going to do it for all of them. So I'm going to quickly do it at this point. So I'm going to copy. First, I'm going to close all. Save. I'm going to start with. I'm going to start with clients, client, contacts, country, employee. Now, actually, we only have 6 items we worked on, right? I think we have either 6 or 7 items. So let's just use them. So first, employee type, we have job titles, invoice status, we have vehicle type, vehicle status, vehicle model, and vehicle make. So we're gonna just go down to the table. So let's find the table, and then we are going to just put the edit button to be able to edit. Here, edit button. The same thing goes here, find, and then we are going to set the edit button as well. And okay, so everything is okay. So I'm going to relaunch the application and I'm going to test it, and hopefully it's going to be fine. So this is how you learn how to debug. When something happens, like we clicked on the edit, nothing happens. First, you check the edit button, check that the script is added, and if it continues, you open the JavaScript file and check whether the problem is coming from there. So at this point, we are going to go back. At this point, I'm going to refresh the page. Okay, I'm going to click on edit, and now we have the edit works. Toyota